Hello, I'm Graham Moore. Does that name sound familiar? Well, I hope so. You will have been getting some emails telling you about a workshop that you're coming to next week, 16th, 17th and 18th of August in Johor Bahru. Of course you know that. Well, although we haven't met yet, I thought I'd do this short video so that I can explain a couple of things about what's going to happen next week and then beyond. So firstly, let me explain just a little bit about me. I'm a certified master for a program called the Leadership Challenge. The Leadership Challenge has been around for over 30 years. It's been used globally and is recognised as one of the most effective leadership development programs in the world. It's actually based on a book called, coincidentally enough, The Leadership Challenge. The Leadership Challenge was published in its 6th edition in May of this year. It's been around a long time. And we know that the work that's been done and the continuing research that's done continues to reinforce what we call the 5 practices of exemplary leadership. So I'll be sharing those with you in the workshop next week. I've delivered this program in 14 countries and I'm excited now to be coming to Malaysia, which will be the 15th country that I will have delivered the Leadership Challenge. I live in Dubai, and because I live in Dubai and work in the Middle East, I work with culturally diverse participants or audiences. And I know that whichever culture people are from, they always get great value out of the Leadership Challenge. So, next week, you're going to be there, I'm going to be with you in Johor Bahru. You may have noticed in the email that delivered this link to you that I'm asking you to do a pre-workshop exercise. It should take you only 15 minutes. It's important that you do that. It's not a complex thing, but it's important that you do it. So please do that written exercise as soon as you can, get it out of the way and bring it along next week. Now, here's a little insight into the way I work. I ask people only once to do something. I'm going to say to you now that I don't want you to feel embarrassed on the day if you haven't done this activity, which is not difficult. I want you to help me to help you. So please spend that 15 minutes, or however long it takes, shorter or longer, to do that activity as a pre-work exercise and bring it along with you next week. I'm not going to ask you again. By the way, if you'd like to know my secret in only asking people once to do something, I'll share that with you next week. And I'm going to share a few other things with you as well. Here's something that I'll say right now. In the time that we're going to be together, that is the 3 days of next week, and following that, we are going to be connecting once a month for an online group coaching session for 6 months. I will make this undertaking to you that when we're working together, as a result of what we talk about, you will improve your leadership. You will get better results as a leader. The world needs leaders. Leadership is everyone's business. It's a choice and an aspiration. Leadership is learned. And I'm going to help you become an extraordinary leader. But you need to be there with me on time every day that we're together for the workshop. You need to have an open mind. But I'll tell you this, the workshops are going to be fun. They're going to be challenging for you. And you are going to learn. It's then your choice to do the things, simple things, that I'm going to be talking about to get great results as a leader. I said it before, I am really excited about coming to Malaysia and specifically to Johor Bahru for those 3 days next week. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.